Okay, what's up guys? I'm gonna make a EDC video. This will be the after. Let me show. First off, my lighter. There you go. A small flashlight. Doesn't have too much battery left. Small notebook. My keys. With the multi-tool and all that. I just made a Paragon. I don't know what it's called. I just got one of my eraser was break, so I just taken apart and made this, and I just make a nut. I put some steel, so press the nut and up the steel. I just put some paracord with super glue. I think come out very good. This was I don't know if you remember the Udo bracelet what he sent me. I break it and I take a little piece of paracord, and it's much better, and I can use it for hit someone because this is really heavy if I need to. Wallet. Inside of my wallet I got this, will be here, and I got small Bible, and this will be here in front of my ID card, I think it's called, and that's pretty much it. And the cell phone and my hats. That's all. I am working in a Altoids urban kit, so hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day. Bye.